It's 5:50 on a Sunday morning. I am up pretty damn early, and that could mean only one thing. "6:06 in the clock, and I have to get the engine heated up. My neighbors are going to be with the happiest people now." The mic does not do justice to how loud this is. It's obnoxiously loud, man. And once I get it on the road, it's a whole another monster. Doggy, doggy, where are you? आओ मेरे पीछे भागो. आजा, 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 आजा. Introduction करना भूल गया ना मैं. So here it goes. Well, what is up, people? This is your boy Abhimanyu, back at it again with another video. And as I already told you, I am out for a Sunday ride, and this monster is my company for today. Talking about company, I am meeting up with Atomicookie, or as in today's vlog I would call him. Well, I've decided that in every video that I have to mention his name, I'll come up with a different cookie. So in today's video, he is Atomic Oreo, meeting up with him and a couple of other bikers up at India Gate, and we'll see where we'll go from there on. Man, this thing pops like hell. I sure hope you can hear them. The mic doesn't do justice to how fucking loud this is. This is notoriously loud, man. Another Harley. Dope. G-O-P-E. Dope, dope, dope. Oh my god. Always cracks me up, always. What? This traffic is 6 in the morning on a Sunday. What? Come on, people, go home, go to sleep. Let the bikers ride. Come on. This is where the hardest struggles, man. Especially the Fatboy. It does not like curves. It definitely does not like curves. It loves to go in a straight lane, but curves, when you push it too hard, your footrest starts to scrape. Not the foot pegs, footrest, because you can literally put your whole foot down. Yeah, so gotta take it a little slow on the corners, but on a straight line, man, this thing is solid as fuck. I mean, you can do 160 on a CBR2, 160 on a KTM RC392, but the stability and confidence that you get on this motorcycle doing those speeds is, I don't think it compares to anything else. Hello. क्या हाल है?
शूटिंग करने की सोच रहे थे भाई।
नहीं भाई, आज नहीं हो पाएगा। भाई
तो शाइनी देखने के लिए बहुत सही बात है।
ओ यार,
और संडे को चलाने के लिए।
हाँ संडे भाई।
उसके अलावा कभी नहीं।
नहीं भाई, ये बहुत चली हुई है। दिस इज ओवर 80,000 किलोमीटर्स in merely 2.5-3 years.
Fucking couch on wheels, dude. A GoPro for 18, dude. ना कर भाई, बड़ी मुश्किल से किया मैंने आज
क्या?
सेटअप।
नहीं नहीं, सेटअप ठीक है। एनिमल क्रूएल्टी, पेटा को बुलाऊंगा मैं। पेटा's gonna kick your ass.
Everything I used to dream being real right now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go. Everybody wanna make millions, but not.
I rode with these guys a while back. I also have the video on my channel up. At that time I was riding my CBR, so I was the most quiet one. These Royal Enfield are fucking loud, but today I'm doing fine. I'm doing just fine.
In the face that we in it together, I'm never gonna turn even under the pressure. I'm keeping it true to myself. Don't matter to me if the curtains are open or closed. Everything I wanted, I got it. Always wanted more, so I'll never be stopping. Everyone asking when a new drop in. Pressure been building, but it's a good problem. Graduated college and now I got
Too
options.
loud,
Always
too
bringing more.
loud.
All these rappers take caution. Always been bossing. Everybody watching. Love every fan, just know you're not forgotten. No. Everything I used to dream in real right now. If it wasn't working, I'm
ये चला ही देता हूँ, छोड़।
सारी हाइटिंग अभी ऑन कर इसके टाइम।
So currently we're headed to Lodhi Art Colony. If you're not familiar, Lodhi Art Colony is a residential colony, but with a twist. If you're from Delhi, I mean, a lot of Delhi people only do not know about this, but it has graffitis like this one all over it. Pretty damn sick. So I have a little insight on this thing because I'm an architecture student, so I might as well give the extra information to you as well. So this was made in collaboration with Start India, that is Street Art India. It's an organization that does this kind of stuff to promote art, and man, pretty damn sick walls. They've done work all around India, but I think this Delhi one was the first or the second, I don't know, in the whole series of the cities.
Everything I used to dream being real right now. If it wasn't working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go. Everybody wanna make millions, but not everybody been working. Everybody know everybody got brilliance, but not everybody been searching. Everybody rap about money and hoes, but they got neither. Everybody knows, always been keeping it real. Every time that I spit in the flow, I've been going to get it, they not gon' forget it. I've been going up, they been staying afloat. My music been personal, telling my stories. I'm telling the truth and my life been exposed. Talking to fans that we in it together. I'm never gon' turn even under the pressure. I'm keeping it true to myself. Don't matter to me if the curtains are open or closed. Everything I wanted, I got it. Always wanted more, so I'll never be stopping. Everyone asking when a new drop in. Pressure been building, but it's a good problem. Graduated college and now I got options. Always bringing more, all these rappers take caution. Always been bossing, everybody watching. Love every fan, just know you're not forgotten, no.